Welcome everybody. So today I'm very excited to share this interesting tool which is about Nikkei 225, right? And we know this is the main index, stock market index in Japan. And we know it includes 225 publicly owned companies and which are listed on Tokyo Stock Exchange, right? A Tokyo Stock Exchange is more like Dow Jones Industrial Average in United States here, right? And recently, Japan in general and Nikkei in particular was in news because we know that on August 5, 2024, there was a meltdown in the stock market. Stocks fell down considerably. There was a lot of sell off, and then Japan was in the news because of something called carry trade. We will talk about carry trade. But before getting in there, let us look at this app which shows Nikkei for last 5 years. And if I zoom, we will see that this is what happened. And Nikkei was at peak here on July 11th at 42,224, and it fell down to 31,458 on August 5. So huge kind of sell-off and decline in this stock exchange. It happened because Bank of Japan reduced, rather I should say, increased the rate of interest. And a lot of carry trade was going on. Carry trade means that since Japan had a low rate of interest, that is why hedge funds and other investors were borrowing from there and investing in US stocks, in more lucrative stocks. And but when Bank of Japan decided to increase the interest rate, then definitely this resulted in a panic selling, and that because this is no more lucrative, right, to borrow from Japan and invest in other economies like US, right? So this triggered this was one of the reasons, I should say, that triggered a meltdown in on August 5, 2024, right? But in addition to that, right, Nikkei 225 in general, right, and any other stock exchange and stock index, I should say, they are economic indicators. And Nikkei is economic indicator in Japan. It is impacted by the data such as GDP data, employment rates data, inflation data, right? Not just this, it is impacted by corporate earnings also, geopolitical events also, monetary policy and market sentiment in general, right? So all of you, if you have heard about Sony company, right, which is one of the biggest constituent of Nikkei, right? And then definitely you have to look at Japan's stock index Nikkei, right? Because this is listed in Nikkei. And Panasonic as well, right? Panasonic is kind of a company that has a diverse range of products from home appliances to industrial systems, right? It is also a vital part of that. And this app not just shows Nikkei, but also we can track Sony here, right? And if I zoom, Sony was also kind of impacted here. It was at 96, this stock, on July 16th, which fell to just 81.61 on August 2nd, right? Similarly, Panasonic, same, it was also not kind of escaping this bloodbath, economic bloodbath, and definitely it went down from 1246 on July 31st to just 991 on August 5, right? So a lot of information is available on this excellent tool that I have made. and Nikkei, the stock index, and the important companies in Japan, right? It also tracks SoftBank Group, GXTG Group, and Tokyo Electron Group, right? So these companies are also tracked here. So thanks for joining, and if you have any queries or any questions and any comments, please feel free to ask your queries in the comment section, and I will see everybody next time. Thanks for joining. See you later.